Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not opening problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is check whether the TikTok app is updated to the latest version. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store, or if you're on Android, head to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait a few minutes for the newest version to download and install. If updating the app doesn't help, the next step is to make sure your phone's software is up to date. Open your phone's settings, go to the General section on iPhone, and tap on Software Update. If your device is running outdated software, it can cause compatibility issues with apps like TikTok, so installing the latest system update may resolve the problem. Another effective solution is to offload or reinstall the TikTok app to clear cache files and temporary data. On an iPhone, open Settings, then go to General, then iPhone Storage, and scroll until you find TikTok. Tap on it and select the Offload App option, then wait a few seconds. This removes unnecessary data without deleting your account information. Once the app is offloaded, tap Reinstall App and let it download again. The final thing you should check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet can sometimes prevent TikTok from launching properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, depending on which one you're currently using. You can also test your internet speed by visiting speedtest.net. Anything above 5 megabytes per second is usually enough for TikTok to work smoothly. And that's it. So that is how you can fix TikTok not opening problem. So that's all for this video. Thanks.